The Tesla Cybertruck has one of the most futuristic LED lighting systems on any pickup truck. Exterior LED details. Front LED light bar. Full-width LED daytime running light, DRL, across the front. Very thin blade-style design. Gives the truck a cyberpunk appearance. Main headlights are hidden lower in the bumper area. Rear LED lighting. Full-width red LED tail light bar. Minimalistic futuristic style. Includes animated brake and turn signals. Off-road roof LED light bar. Tesla offers an optional off-road roof light bar accessory for the Cybertruck. It can illuminate trails up to about 480 to 525 meters ahead. Tesla Plus One. The light bar integrates with the Cybertruck software controls. Flood light mode. Ditch light mode. Combined lighting mode for off-road driving. Shop for Tesla. Interesting LED features. Adaptive lighting system. Automatic high beams. LED bed lights in cargo area. Ambient interior LED strips. Hidden lighting design for clean styling. Interior ambient lighting. Inside the Cybertruck. Thin ambient LED strips run across dashboard panels. Soft white futuristic cabin lighting. Large 18.5-inch center display glows like a spaceship cockpit. Rear passengers get a separate 9.4-inch screen in higher trims. Wikipedia Plus One. Cybertruck key specs. Feature. Details. Drive. AWD electric. 0 to 100 km per hour. As fast as 2.7 seconds, Cyberbeast. Range. Up to about 515 kilometers. Seating. 5 adults. Ground clearance. Up to 406 millimeters. Wheels. 20-inch. Towing. Up to 4,990 kilograms. Tesla Plus One. Extra facts. The Cybertruck uses a modern 48-volt electrical system for many vehicle functions. Wikipedia. Some roof light bars were recalled because of attachment issues in 2025. BusinessInsider.com Plus One. Tesla says the roof light bar is mainly for off-road use. AutoEvolution.com Plus One. The Tesla Cybertruck is a futuristic all-electric pickup truck with sharp angular styling, stainless steel body panels, and advanced LED lighting technology. Tesla Cybertruck overview. Main features. Full-size electric pickup truck. Stainless steel exoskeleton body. Steer-by-wire steering system. Rear wheel steering for tight turning. Adaptive air suspension. Large front trunk, frunk. Vault-style powered cargo bed cover. Performance. Version. Power. 0 to 100 km per hour. Range. Dual motor AWD, 600 HP 4.3 seconds 547 km. Cyberbeast Trimotor, 845 HP 2.7 seconds 515 km. The Cyberbeast is the fastest version with extreme acceleration and off-road capability. Auto Data Plus One. Size. The Tesla Cybertruck interior uses futuristic LED ambient lighting with a minimalist spaceship design. Cybertruck interior LED lighting. Ambient LED light strip. A thin LED light strip runs across the dashboard and door panels. The lighting wraps from the front dash into the side doors. Creates a floating futuristic cabin effect. Tesla designed it with soft indirect illumination instead of aggressive RGB styling. Inside EVs Plus One. Adjustable lighting modes. Inside the touchscreen settings. Ambient lights can be turned on or off. Night-only mode activates lighting automatically in darkness. Brightness and colors can be customized by the driver. Tesla Plus One. Footwell LED lighting. LED footwell lights illuminate front and rear floor areas. Lights activate when doors open, vehicle unlocks, headlights turn on, shifting into park. Tesla Plus One. Dome and cabin lights. The Cybertruck includes front LED map lights, rear dome lights near rear seats, soft white cabin illumination, automatic convenience lighting when entering the truck. Tesla Plus One. Dashboard and screen glow. Massive 18.5-inch center display acts like the main cockpit light source. Rear passengers get a second display screen. Steering wheel/yoke buttons are backlit with LEDs. Notebook check Plus One. Cargo bed LED lighting. LED strips are built into the cargo bed sides. Helpful for night loading and camping. Can switch between auto, on, or off modes. Tesla. Interior design style. The interior style focuses on minimalist clean surfaces, hidden LED integration, matte metallic trim, futuristic sci-fi atmosphere, panoramic glass roof with subtle night reflections. Autoblog Plus One. Community reactions. Many Tesla fans on Reddit compared the Cybertruck lighting to cyberpunk designs, sci-fi movie interiors, gaming PC ambient lighting, luxury EV mood lighting. Reddit Plus 2. Video. The Tesla Cybertruck interior LED system is designed to feel like a futuristic sci-fi cockpit with hidden ambient illumination, soft accent lighting, and smart automatic controls. Full ambient LED layout. Dashboard LED strip. Thin LED light bar stretches across the dashboard. Continues into the front and rear door panels. Creates a wraparound, floating cockpit effect. Lighting is indirect to reduce glare at night. Inside EVs Plus 2. Door panel lighting. LED accent lines are integrated high in the door trim. Soft glow helps passengers locate handles and controls. Matches Tesla's minimalist design philosophy. Inside EVs Plus One. Adjustable RGB style customization. Tesla allows lighting customization through the touchscreen. Brightness adjustment. Color selection. On/off mode. Night only automatic mode. Auto activation in dark environments. Tesla Plus One. Footwell and floor lighting. The Cybertruck includes LED footwell lights for driver area, front passenger area, rear passenger floor area.